Here's another video walking you through descriptive statistics. So in this data set, we have survey information. So we surveyed high school students about a lot of different things. And it's a little bit messy to read, but each one of these is its own survey item so that you can see what it is, what was asked. And then we have ratings. This is an agreement scale where 4 is strongly agree, 3 is agree, 2 is disagree, and then a 1 would be strongly disagree. So if we look at I'm a good reader, this person strongly agreed, this person just agreed, we can scroll down and see that we definitely do have some that are strongly disagreeing that they are a good reader. With these Likert scales, these agreement scales, we actually get to treat them as continuous information. So let's start here. I'm a good reader. I'm going to highlight all the way down, which we have some missing data, which is fine. And so I can see that right here I have 104, but I have a heading, so I have 103 students that are represented in this data set. But starting with I'm a good reader, I'm going to highlight the column, which I just lost again. So highlight the column. I'm going to go up here to Insert, Recommended Charts, and these are really not helpful. I'm going to go to All Charts and Histogram, and this is where I want to be. And so I can see most people are falling in this 3 to 4 range. Click on it, thank you. So I can see 3 and 4. I don't have a lot falling in 1 or 2, which is not a bad thing in this because I hope that most students in high school can at least somewhat agree that they are a good reader. Okay, now I also have a couple other things happening. I have grade, so I have 9th, 10th, and 11th grade, and I have male and female. So I can do the same thing here. I can highlight this, go up to Insert and Recommended Charts, and I can see that I'm fairly equal between male and female right here. I can also, of course, sort all of this information. But if I highlight this column and I go to my recommended charts, again, this one's super weird because it's trying to say that it's continuous information. I actually think a bar chart would be better here, or a pie chart, which is super weird that it's doing this. So this one's not working, and I'm going to have to actually categorize things. So I'm going to select everything, go to Data, Sort. I have Grade. Again, I want to make sure that I have checked up here my data has headers. Say OK. Everything is now sorted. So starting at the bottom, I can scroll up and see that I have 17 11th graders. So 17. Over here I can see I have 63 10th graders. And 23 9th graders. So I'm just going to scroll all the way over here, and I'm going to say 9th grade, what was it, 23, 10th grade, 63, and 11th grade. I already forgot, but I think it was like 17. Okay, so now that I have this, I can highlight these guys, go back up to Insert, just go ahead and click on my pie chart or my bar chart, and now I have a much better visual that makes more sense. Okay, so I've done visuals, I've done my counts. The only thing that I haven't done with descriptive statistics and visualization is the mean and standard deviation for I'm a good reader. So again, I'm going to go up to Data, Data Analysis. If you don't have this tab, see the first videos. I'm going to go to Descriptive Statistics, delete this because I don't know what's highlighted from the last time I have an Excel open. I'm going to highlight the column that I want. I included a label. I want summary statistics. I say okay, it's going to jump me to a new tab where I can see that my mean score is a 3. So on average, students are agreeing that they're a good reader, which is a 3. I want to report my standard deviation. You can round this to just 2 decimals, so I don't need all of this information. Just round that to 2 and be done. And again, I can see my count right here, noting that I have actually 100 students, not the 103 or 4 that we thought, because I have a few that were missing data. So I have 100 students that are included and answered the question, I'm a good reader.